Dude, these trees are in an unfortunate spot. Let's cut them down.
Say shiny!
Shiny!
It's not the same. We gotta do the
Like literally right over.
Oh, it's really.
Dude, I'm honestly gonna say
Never mind, I'm blind.
They're doing the heart. They're doing the heart.
They don't do a heart. They don't do a heart.
They are doing it.
Are you submitting your dossier?
Bro, whatever. Dude, I don't even open
I don't even care about the Rockets anymore.
You know, some like.
Doing.
I've seen this up close before.
Yeah. Guess what? I don't care. Get it.
There's two really good engines in there.
You can see the writings. U.S. Navy.
You can see the U.S. Navy titles.
Yeah. Yeah, there was a rocket because at this point the rocket's not being missed.
they're all mine.
Wait, alright.
Yo, Rylan.
Here, is your parachute packed? You got no burp in there?
Yoshi. Yoshi, look. This is kind of
Got a long way to go.
This is.
Dude, I'm gonna.
I missed it. No, I missed the formation, guys.
No, it's just the.
It's red tail.
Let's go. We gotta hurry.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Like just scoop it. Where do I?
There you go. Niner. There you go. You're ready to go. Yeah, once in the ocean. Yeah, pieces of it. Who ain't recording right now? Yeah, no, as long as I'm in my airspace. No, not a good preview for this movie. Is she gonna come back? Is she gonna come back?
going with you.
Hopefully I can get on a 155 flight. If not, I'm here till 6:10. Nope.
Sorry, man.
Oh, thank you.
Hey.
That's cool. Send that to you.
Yeah. It's a cool super for me.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Please unplug all devices from the outlets. At this time, please fasten your seatbelt, bring your seat back up, and put away your tray table. If you notice your personal electronic device is overheating, please notify the flight attendant right away.